Okay, here are my breakfast ingredients for today. Can you guess what I'm making? This is awesome! If only it wasn't raining. Hi, welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you haven't been here before. This is going to be a second part of my long weekend trip. If you haven't seen the first part, I will put the links up here or there at the end of this video, or you can just go back to my channel and check it out. In this video, first half of the video, I'm gonna be doing some camp cooking, so if you're not too much into cooking and that kind of stuff, feel free to fast forward to about half of the video where I will be back on the trails. Okay, here are my breakfast ingredients for today. Can you guess what I'm making? Eggs, evaporated milk, honey, flour. I'll be having pancakes today. So we pour some flour in the pan. So I opened just the two holes in this milk can. I'll need to take the lid completely off. Just pour some milk in. Start mixing. And we'll see how the mixture comes along. Add some more milk. Add a little more milk. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go with the French style pancakes, kind of crepes. So that's why I'm gonna make my mix quite liquid, so that I can pour it on a pan and it spreads evenly, fills up the pan and makes the big round crepe. So I added a little bit of salt and should be adding sugar, but I don't have powdered sugar, so I'm just gonna go with the honey instead. I'm gonna be having a lot of pancakes this morning. Alright. That should be good. Alright. Mix is ready. Let's start cooking. Sorry, I'm not professional pancake flipper, so I use spatula to flip mine. Alright guys, so made myself breakfast. Stack of pancakes or crepes. So yeah, woke up today and I kind of first thing in the morning I packed up everything because forecast said it's gonna be raining later, and it kind of drizzled a little bit in the morning, so I was kind of like rushing to pack up the tent so that I don't have to deal with it while it's raining. Nice.
Good. That's the way to go. Canned pancakes. So yeah, this morning it was drizzling in the morning. It stopped. It's got it on and off, you know. It's 5 minutes drizzle, 5 minutes break, 10 minutes drizzle, 5 minutes break. It's been like that all morning. So it was beautiful night. Could see stars. I tried to take pictures, but I don't think I managed. I have this Nikon Coolpix D500 camera, and it has the option for what it's called, star trails or something. I tried that out, but I didn't read the instructions, so I'm not sure how it's exactly supposed to work. I better learn how to use that feature. Alright, so rain is here. I'm all packed and ready to go. We'll see if I'll stop somewhere on the way, depending on how badly it's gonna rain. But yeah, this is the beautiful BC weather. If you ever consider coming to explore it, don't forget poncho. Chances are you're gonna need it. If one day is sunny, then the other is gonna be raining or snowing. It's fun anyway, but yeah, it's not like your Utah or Arizona where it's always sunny. I mean, not always. I have been in pretty severe thunderstorm. Oh, it's fun. I was driving down the highway, and in a couple minutes highway turns into river. So it's not that bad here, but it's different in the way that the rain is persistent. If down south thunderstorm comes and goes, and then it's all sunny again. Here, if it's raining, it's gonna be raining for a day. Could be two, could be raining for a week. Yeah. Anyway, so rain is here. I'm ready to go. This is awesome, if only it wasn't raining. Alright, so at this point I already made farther up than anybody else today. Those are my tracks. And there, and you see there's no more tracks any further. So I'll see how far I can make today. Alright, so I did beat everybody else, but I could not beat myself. I think that's it. It's not awfully deep, but it's wet and heavy snow. It freezes, fills up your tire and freezes all around, so it becomes hard. I mean, it's not hard, but it kind of is. But yeah, that's what's happening with wet snow. It packs up, fills up your tire, and it pretty much doesn't matter what kind of tire you have. Just looking at the tracks, the guys who were here before, they had much beefier tires, also much bigger tires. And yeah, they didn't make any further.
So what is happening here, I am winching myself out of the way so that the Jeep, which right now is parked further down the hill, can get by myself and my son, who is right behind me. So we were pretty sure that we're not gonna make much higher up the mountain, but the guy with the Jeep figured that he might actually make a little further than us, and he wanted to go up and explore, so I'm trying to winch myself out of the way to let him by. If you're wondering why I'm using winch here, that's because I'm trying to winch myself off the tracks into the deep snow, essentially into the ditch, to let the Jeep behind me get by. So yeah, my son pulled up and we had a little more fun in the snow. And as we got in the action, we actually tried to climb a little higher up the hill, tried to follow the Jeep's tracks, but we did not succeed much. We made a little bit higher, but not too far, because our trucks are much heavier than the Jeep, and as the Jeep, as I was watching how the Jeep slowly crawled up, he would just not sink so deep. Even if we tried to follow exact tracks, we would just sink twice as deep as the Jeep did. and basically we didn't go much further. We did have quite a bit of fun, but as I got caught in the action, I forgot about filming all that. I also got stuck on the way down, and one of the mistakes I made, I forgot to disengage my front locker as I started to back out of the ditch. And what happened as my rear end got caught into the tracks, my front end basically just skied right into the ditch, and I was like at some point almost perpendicular to the trail. So I had to do a little digging to get myself out, but that was fun. Didn't catch that part on the camera, it was too busy. It was fun anyway.
Alright guys, it was another fun weekend. I hope you liked my little adventure. Hit that like button if you liked the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you again somewhere outside.